Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learning with Rony. Today we will learn something very practical. How to order food at a restaurant in English. Eating out is common all around the world. Knowing the right phrases helps you feel confident. I will speak clearly at a moderate pace. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Arriving at the restaurant. When you enter a restaurant, a waiter may say, "Welcome to our restaurant." This means, "We are happy to see you." Welcome to our restaurant. How many people? This means, how many in your group? How many people? You can answer, "Table for two, please." This means, we need a table for two people. Table for two, please. Getting the menu. The waiter may ask, "Here is your menu." This means, here is the food list. Here is your menu. I'll be back in a few minutes. This means, I will return soon. I'll be back in a few minutes. You can ask, "Can I see the menu, please?" This means, please give me the menu. Can I see the menu, please? Do you have a menu in English? This means an English version of the menu. Do you have a menu in English? Asking about the menu. When you look at the menu, you may have questions. What do you recommend? This means, what is your favorite dish? What do you recommend? What is the special today? This means, what is different or good today? What is the special today? What does this dish have? This means, what ingredients are in it? What does this dish have? Is this dish spicy? This means, does it have hot flavor? Is this dish spicy? Ordering food. When you are ready to order, say, "I'm ready to order." This means, I know what I want. I'm ready to order. I would like the chicken sandwich. This means, I want to eat this. I would like the chicken sandwich. For my starter, I'll have soup. This means, first course of the meal. For my starter, I'll have soup. For the main course, fish and rice. This means the main part of the meal. For the main course, fish and rice. Practice time, Part 1. Let's practice together. Welcome to our restaurant. Table for two, please. Here is your menu. Thank you. What do you recommend? The grilled fish is very good. I would like the chicken sandwich. Excellent choice. Very good. Excellent. This is the end of Part 1. In Part 2, we will learn how to ask about drinks and how to pay. See you in Part 2. Welcome back to Learning with Rony. This is Part 2. Today, drinks, problems, and paying. Ordering drinks. After ordering food, the waiter may ask, "What would you like to drink?" This means, what drink do you want? What would you like to drink? You can answer, "I would like water, please." This means, I want water. I would like water, please. Do you have fresh juice? This means juice made from fruit. Do you have fresh juice? I'll have a cup of coffee after the meal. This means coffee after eating. I'll have a cup of coffee after the meal. During the meal. Sometimes there are problems. Here is how to talk about them. Excuse me, this is not what I ordered. This means I ordered something different. Excuse me, this is not what I ordered. I ordered the chicken, but this is fish. This means my order is wrong. I ordered the chicken, but this is fish. Could I have some more water, please? This means I need more water. Could I have some more water, please? This is cold. Can you heat it, please? This means the food is not warm. This is cold. Can you heat it, please? Asking for the bill. When you finish eating, you ask for the bill. Can I have the bill, please? This means I want to pay now. Can I have the bill, please? Check, please. This is another way to ask for the bill. Check, please. Is service included? This means, is tip already in the bill? Is service included? Can I pay separately? This means each person pays for themselves. Can I pay separately? Paying and leaving. The waiter may ask, how would you like to pay? This means cash or card. How would you like to pay? You can answer, cash, please. Card, please. Here is your change. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here is your change. Thank you. Have a nice day. Practice time. Full conversation. Welcome. Table for two? Yes, please. Here is your menu. Thank you. What do you recommend? The grilled chicken is very good. I would like the grilled chicken with rice. Excuse me. Yes? How can I help? Could I have more water, please? Of course. Right away. Can I have the bill, please? Here it is. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. The food was delicious. Thank you. Thank you. Please come again. Goodbye. See you next time. Excellent practice. Very good. Quick phrases to remember. Table for two, please. What do you recommend? I would like the chicken, please. Can I have the bill, please? The food was delicious. Thank you. Closing. Today you learned how to order food at a restaurant. Practice these sentences when you eat out. Next time we will learn how to ask for and give directions. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did very well. This was Learning with Rony. Goodbye and see you next time.